I just wanted to show you the correct way to install shoes, because if you install them wrong, then you'll get brake binding. So it's all about the springs and where the anchor plate is for the shoes. This anchor plate here should always be on the trailing shoe. If you bolt it to the leading shoe, like I once did, then that completely changes the dynamics of the shoes and you'll get binding. Jolly annoying, because it looks perfectly normal. So, anchor plate to trailing shoe. This little black spring here should be connected to this hole, and it should be behind the shoes, not in front of the shoes. This red spring here is quite important. This spring does not connect to this trailing shoe. It connects to the little pin here, and then it goes behind the snaily little adjustmenty thing, and it clips onto a pin behind this shoe. You can see the end of the pin just here. And make sure that this red spring is in the little groove on the pin on the back of the shoe. If it's not in the groove, it could slip off and then your brakes will stop working. And well, to say the least, that's exciting. So that's how all the componentry fits together. Now you know, but make sure you always read a manual, because I could have made everything up. I could have made everything up just to look big and clever.